What's new, crew? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cassandra. Today we're talking about all things Aldi, my big Aldi grocery shopping haul for my family of 6. I get a lot of new viewers on these videos, so really quickly, in 30 seconds or less, I'm going to talk to you guys about how we do grocery shopping. My grocery budget is $550 for an entire month for my family of 6. That includes all of our household products and all of our groceries. How I'm able to get that done in a $550 budget is we are avid gardeners. We grow as much as we possibly can and preserve as much as we possibly can on our own. If you go back to my channel over the last couple of months, you will see nothing but canning videos and homestead content, all the things that we do there. When it comes to meat, we either hunt or fish for it ourselves. My husband is an avid fisherman, avid outdoorsman. We have tons of trout and salmon and panfish and whitefish and a ton of different fish that we can get locally here that my husband fishes for us. And then when it comes to our roasts and our steaks and things, we use venison for that. Heading into hunting season, that's going to be a huge ticket item for us. Whatever we don't provide for ourselves, we buy from local farmers. We get our hogs right across the street from our neighbors. We buy a whole hog once a year, and then once a year we buy bulk ground beef. We only buy ground beef when it comes to beef. And then, like I said, our roasts and steaks and other cuts of meat we use venison for. Our freezers are really full right now because we just invested in a ton of that stuff. We also have laying hens, so we get our eggs from our hens. And then in the spring, we're going to invest in quail and meat birds. So that's how we get this all done in a $550 budget. I'm gonna swing the camera around. I'll show you my Aldi haul, talk about totals, and then the other half of my groceries come from Walmart. So you're gonna see this haul here, and then in the next video that goes up will be my Walmart haul, and that'll be rounding out the rest of our groceries and household items for our family for the month. Really quick ramble. Let's turn the camera around and show you guys all of the Aldi things that I got and basically all the groceries for the month. I completely stocked up on chocolate chips because we ran out towards the end of the month. So I got 3 things of milk chocolates and 3 things of minis. These are the ones that we use the most. I'm also getting a bag or 2 bags of Halloween M&Ms to make M&M cookies for the kids for the month, but this is where we're starting for here. I also got a thing of oats for like oatmeal raisin cookies, monster cookies, different things. We pretty much only bake with these kind of oats, so that's what these are for. Got a thing of onions. They looked really good this month. Last month they looked terrible. 10 pounds of potatoes. We're hitting that time of year where it's very possible that in the middle of the month I will get another 10-pound bag of potatoes because we're just going through these really fast with a lot of different meals. I still had a ton of lunch meat in my freezer from last month. We just didn't use it that much. So because we still have a bunch of ham and turkey lunch meat, I got 2 things of bologna for the month. I got 4 things of butter. I've been slowly working on a butter freezer stockpile, so this is going to help kind of replenish that. Cream cheese was also on sale today, so I got 3 things of cream cheese. Don't have a plan for this, but I'm sure I'll use it. 1 thing of oranges. My cart felt really empty today because I didn't have to get any apples or any pears or anything like that because we still have a whole crisper full from my grandma's trees. So I only got a thing of oranges this time. I got 2 bags of berry medley. I want to make muffins with these, and then the kids usually eat these for snacks too. So that's what these are for. I got 3 things of baby carrots just to have something really easy to throw in lunch boxes or for the kids like morning snack at school. So that's what these are for. They also made their mini cucumber bags way bigger. So instead of getting a couple bags, I just got 1, and I'm going to see how long this lasts for us. But that was actually really exciting to see. The coconut oil was on sale, so I got a thing of coconut oil and I actually needed it. So that was good. I got another thing of olive oil spray. We were talking about winter stock-up items and things that I was going to start working on, and baking cocoa is one of them, so I'm checking this off the list. Got another batch of that on the shelf. The marshmallows are for Rice Krispie treats that I'll make for the kids, after school snacks, lunch boxes, things like that. So that's what these are for pretty much exclusively. I got 2 things of large tortilla shells. I didn't need anything more than that. These freeze really well, so I have some in my freezer, but I wanted to make breakfast burritos. That's been on my list of things to do for a while, but I'm going to do it this month, so I got those. I also got 2 things of mini bagels. My plan for these is to make mini pizzas for the kids' lunches and put them in the freezer so that I have these little frozen pizzas that I can just take right out of the freezer, put them right in their lunchbox. They'll thaw all day, and then by the time the kids get to lunch, they'll have thawed mini pizzas. So that's what these are for. That's my plan with these. I got a thing of pretzels and a thing of Cheez-Its for these like baked ranch Chex mixes that I've been doing for the kids. They're loving those, so that's what those are for. I also got 2 things of the maple cookies. So these won't last long, but I got 2 for everybody to try. I got a couple of different fun snacky things. I also got 4 boxes of mac and cheese just to put back up on the shelf, trying to keep that well stocked. So I got some of those. I knew I was doing really well on my grocery budget while I was there today, so I decided to get these hash browns. We don't always get these, but when I'm on a lower budget, or I know I have more money in my budget, I'll grab these. So we got these hash browns. These are just really fun for breakfast or even for lunches, sides. We like to put these in breakfast crunch wraps and things, so we always find ways to use those. Recently we went out for dinner and my oldest realized that she really likes onion rings on her burgers. So Aldi doesn't always have onion rings, so I got 2 bags and then we'll put them in the freezer. This was just like a fun fall thing that Aldi had, at least my Aldi. They don't always have these, but it's a cheese and caramel mix. I figured let's do it. It's like a cold, rainy, yucky fall day here. So I figured maybe some movie snacks, because we were going to go out today and do like a family thing, but we got rained out. So just some fun snacks to have to still make the day kind of fun. So I got those. I got a thing of kettle chips and a thing of barbecue chips. These are my oldest's favorite. So just some snack chips for movies today and things. We always get a thing of tortilla chips, so this is pretty normal. I got a thing of mushrooms. I'm throwing those in everything lately. A thing of romaine lettuce, 2 things of the Caesar salad kits that I really like. I'm gonna make a big batch of chicken noodle soup tonight, and I think I might have some salad with that on the side. This was another stock up item that I really wanted to do. If you watched my like winter stock up, I can link that video down below. But one of the things my kids asked for me to get on the shelf was SpaghettiOs. So I got, I don't know, 9 cans of the pasta rings and meatballs from Aldi, and then I also got 4 cans of just tomato paste. I made all my own tomato products other than tomato paste this year for canning, so just a couple jars. I have a couple recipes I use these for. And then a box of hard shell tacos. We're gonna do hard shell tacos for taco nights this month. Then I got 2 2-pound bags of mozzarella cheese for all of our pizzas and things that we're doing this month. I needed aluminum foil so bad. I've needed this. I've been out of this for probably 3 months, and I just keep forgetting to buy it. So I saw it all today, so I grabbed it. I also needed a thing of Parmesan cheese for a couple recipes that I'm going to be doing, so I got a thing of that. This was just another fun fall thing. They sell these around Christmas time, and they have like snowman, Christmas trees, reindeer. They're one of my kids' favorite things. I always get a couple boxes, but there's 4 popsicles or 4 ice cream things in a box. So I got 2 boxes. This is the first time I've ever seen like Halloween ones. I just thought it was super fun, so I got them. It's just vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate ice cream, but it's the vanilla's dyed like orange. So I don't know, the kids will like these, but I got 8 of them for the month for the kids to enjoy, or my husband, whoever. I got 4 bags of mild cheddar cheese for the month. I was looking at my meal plan, and that's really what I needed, so that's what I'm gonna do. I also got 2 things of sliced cheeses for sandwiches, like grilled cheese, things like that. I got a black pepper grinder for the middle of our kitchen table. We normally have like a little plate here, and it has like a Lazy Susan on it. We keep some spices on it and like napkins and stuff in the middle of the table for dinner. And we have a salt, but we didn't have a pepper, so I got this to go with the salt shaker to keep on the table. I got 3 things of chicken breast. I just wanted to stock up. The last couple months I've been getting 2 bags, and it just isn't quite enough for us, so I'm stepping it up to 3. I got 3 bags for the month. Hopefully that'll be enough. I also looked at their whole chickens today because I really wanted to get one. I'm making chicken noodle soup for dinner tonight, and I wanted to roast a whole chicken, but their whole birds in my Aldi, the cheapest one I found was like $15, $16, and I can't justify that when I can just go to the grocery store and buy a whole rotisserie chicken that's already cooked for like $5. So I don't know. Their pepperoni was on sale, so I got 2 bags. These freeze awesome as well. And then the Score the big score today was their kielbasa. These kielbasa were $2 for the ring. I got 5 of them. I love to have these in the freezer for just like a really easy meal. Maybe I forgot to pull out meat or something and it's dinner time, we need to eat now. I'll pull out a kielbasa. So many different meals we can make with this. They're great in crock pot meals, sheet pan dinners, so many things. So I bought 5. When meat is a good price these days, you just buy it and you stock up. So this will be for a couple of months worth and I'm really excited about this. But this is the total haul. The whole haul came to $250.60. So I'm right on the money. $250 here. I already put my Walmart order in, so my total there came to $250 as well. So I'm hitting exactly where I need to be and leaving myself $50 for the middle of the month to stock up and refresh whatever I need to refresh. Thank you guys so much for watching, taking time out of your day to hang out with me. I do have my meal plan made out. I have not filmed that video yet. That should be going up probably this week as well. I think the video roster for this week is going to be my Aldi meal, or my Aldi haul, grocery haul from Walmart will be next, and then after that will probably be my meal plan for the month. So that's gonna be the roster for the week. If you're into all things grocery and all things budget meal plans, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those videos. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you guys for my Walmart haul. Bye.